So as our test is there tomorrow of letter writing, we are going to revise letter writing only. Tell me why we need to write a letter. To send a message to someone. To send a message to someone. So we can write down a note as well. Letter, basically what are the letters? Letters are the main source of communication. When you are away from something, somebody, and you want to convey your messages. So this is the medium through which you people can convey your messages. So we could say it's a it's a medium of, it's a channel of communication. The letter writing. Two kinds of letter writing you people are going to do. First is business, and the second one is to editor. Earlier I have repeated so many times. Business letters are how many kinds?
Complaint letters.
Complaint letters, okay. Yes.
Replacement.
Order or replace, okay. Next. Cancelling orders. Cancelling order. What else? Opinion. Business letter we are talking about. Inquiry. Anything else? Nothing. So complaint, order, cancellation and inquiry. When you are making a complaint again, it could be of two kinds. First, कोई भी general, कोई भी issue है, कोई भी social issue है, उस पर आप complaint कर सकते हैं. Second, you have purchased something but that product is not working well. दूसरा complaint आप उधर कर सकते हैं. Is it visible to you? Yes. Okay. So कोई हमने product purchase किया but that product has stopped working or something wrong with that, तो उसका भी we can write down a complaint. Next, order and replace. Order and replace when you are asking somebody to send something, and if you get something wrong, broken, you can ask those people to replace it, or you can ask to refund it. Whatsoever is asked in the question, you are supposed to write down according to that. If those people are ask you for the replacement, कि आपने जो प्रोडक्ट खरीदा है, you want the shopkeeper or the person from whom you have purchased that replace, तो आप अपने प्रोडक्ट का replacement करो. If it is a question, it is asked for the refund. Whatever you have paid, you want refund of that. तो वो refund. Got it? Next is cancellation. You have ordered something, but now you think ये हो सकता है कि order delay हो गया. You ask those people to send that order within the 15 days, but now it's around 20 days. So you don't want to continue with your order. Then cancellation order. Or you think कि by mistake you have sent an order. You have ordered something which you won't want. In that condition also you can write down cancellation. Okay. Then inquiry. Whatsoever the inquiry. You want to join a course, join a school, join a college. You want to ask for the tour and travels, the hostel facilities. So many things are there. Whatever you want to inquire about, everything will come under this. Kinds are clear? This is for the business platform. Okay. Now we'll talk about which is the other one? To the editor. Editor. From which industry or department or organization this word editor belongs? Newspapers, magazines, whatever is the written, जो written part हम करते हैं ना, कभी भी वो as it is print होने के लिए नहीं चाहते हैं. There would be some editor who would edit the things कि क्या चीज़ everybody don't have a command on language. तो editors का ये काम होता है कि they will correct what have you written, whether it is presentable in front of the people or not. If it's not, they will make correction over there. If it is correct, it will be printed as it is. So editor. Again, editor के कौन से kind होते हैं?
Electricity breakdown.
Electricity breakdown. Only electricity breakdown के लिए will write down. Electricity doesn't belong to the newspaper and magazine industry. complaints comes under that business letter. We forgot to discuss that, है ना? वो complaints होती हैं if you have some social issues, if you have any general complaint regarding any department, your civic amenities हैं, उससे related आपको complaint है, तो you will write down that is under the category of business. But like he said, complaint to the electricity department. Basically, if electricity breakdown is there, it is a matter of electricity department. Water is not there, sewage system is not there. So this is the part of municipal corporations. But we have made so many complaints and so many times, but that department, that particular department is not listening to us. कोई टेंशन पे नहीं हो रही, हम बोल चुके हैं हमारे आगे रोड्स खराब हैं, प्लीज जस्ट रिपेयर देम, वाटर स्कार्सिटी है, बहुत समर है, नहीं हो रहा, कंटामिनेटेड वाटर आ रहा है, हम उसका कंप्लेंट कर सकते हैं, बट दोज पीपल आर नॉट लिसनिंग दैट. आफ्टर just making so many complaints to that particular department, and those people are not heeding any attention towards your problems, then you are going to write down a letter to the editor, because editor is going to publish that complaint in his newspaper to just make aware all the people around us कि देखो department is not working against such a huge problem, although so many complaints have already made. After making so many complaints, those people not listening, then you are going to write down a editor. Clear हो गया? तो first तो यही हो गया कि complaint letter हो गए. नेक्स्ट इज, आप इसमें प्रोडक्ट की कंप्लेंट नहीं करेंगे, ओके? ओनली सिविक एमेनिटीज है, कुछ बेसिक चीज है, आप उसी की कंप्लेंट करेंगे. प्रोडक्ट के लिए if you are going to print that out in a newspaper, no editor is going to publish that, okay? Because he can't do anything. Next is, if you want to give your opinion, if you want to give your suggestions, again these can be the social issues. कोई ओपिनियन आपने देना है, लाइक अभी बहुत करंट टॉपिक है दिस ऑनलाइन वर्सेस फिजिकल क्लासेस. इफ यू वांट टू गिव एनी ओपिनियन रिगार्डिंग दैट कि क्या हो रहा है रियलिटी में, whether the students are serious or not during their online classes, that would come under opinion. You want to give some suggestions. Like online classes, you have given the things कि students are not regular, they are not paying attention, they are getting lazy and all. So what are your suggestions regarding that? Regarding that matter, you can also give them. ठीक है? तो both the things, whether it is your opinion or your suggestions, both comes under this. वो आप editor को लिख सकते हो, because many people are going to read the newspaper, they will get awareness regarding that topic. सो अवेयरनेस आपने किसी चीज़ के लिए स्प्रेड करना है, अपनी ओपिनियन और सजेशन शेयर करके, दैट वुड बी लेटर टू एडिटर एज वेल. का आंसर क्लियर? यस. नाउ विल कम टू द फॉर्मेट. Format. Who is going to draw the format on board? Class 10th, you people have done letter writing. And in class 11th, I think 5 to 6 times we have done letter writing. So who is going to draw that format here? Nobody? Okay, come. Yes. Only the format. Write down a little bit bigger characters, letters.
No.
No. Who says no? Raise your hands. Only 3 people. Okay. Change. What is wrong?
मैम ये डेट है आपके आने की
हाँ।
और मीडिया सोशल सेक्शन ऊपर आना
Okay. अभी तो ये चल जाएगा because board has approved. हाँ. Okay. The main thing is that. और कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं लगी?
नो मैम
हाँ. Is there any other change?
डेट नीचे तो आता है कंटेंट से तो पहले
नहीं. अभी बताती हूँ. Yes. Is there any change? हाँ. Rest of the things are correct.
8 की जगह 18
अच्छा. तो big mistake.
और वो सेंटर का मैम 3 लाइनों में है
Okay. रिसीवर की स्पेलिंग ठीक है? Ritik, class 11. Look at the spelling. So, sender's address. पहले आएगा who is writing the letter. Name won't be there. Name नहीं होगा. That will be divided into 3 lines. First is
हाउस नंबर
then the locality, and then
सिटी
Third one is city. Okay. And जो receiver's address है वो बाद में आएगा. पहले आएगा here we left a blank line. We'll write down date here and this word date. This won't sound. Only date would be there. Okay. So यहाँ आ जाएगा हमारा date. Date के फॉर्मेट 2 बताए थे.
यस मैम
Either write down like this or write down like this. January 18, 2014. ठीक है? Slashes, hyphen, these are not allowed. And this word is also not allowed. Then we'll come to the receiver's address. Receiver's address again divided into 3 lines. Here the designation. Designation means
कौन सी पोस्ट पे हैं?
post. Then इस designation का क्या organization है, क्या department है, क्या institute है, whether it is a school, whatever it is. ठीक है, वो आ जाएगा. Then in third, city. हाँ,
We can't write full spelling of January J and U
हाँ, you can.
and 18 TH लगा सकते हैं.
हाँ, लगा सकते हो, वो भी लगा सकते हो. ओके, ये रिसीवर तक का एड्रेस हो गया. अब कम टू सैल्यूटेशन एंड सब्जेक्ट. अर्लियर बहुत सालों पहले ये हुआ करता था कि सब्जेक्ट ऊपर आता था, देन सैल्यूटेशन का. और CBSE हैज चेंज द पैटर्न कि पहले सैल्यूटेशन आएगा, देन सब्जेक्ट. बट नाउ दिस ईयर द सैंपल पेपर्स रिलीज्ड बाय द बोर्ड. Again the same format is there. They are asking whether you are writing subject or whether you are writing salutation first. No matter. They are going to get marks for both the things. ठीक है? और notice one more thing. There is no comma. Comma should not be there. कहीं पर भी आप end में comma नहीं लगाएंगे. Commas are not allowed. ठीक? Again subject का भी if you want to write down subject full spelling you can. If you want to write down SUB. ठीक. अब आते हैं हम इस सब्जेक्ट पर. सब्जेक्ट आपको 99% एज इट इज मिल जाता है क्वेश्चन में से, है ना? और थोड़ा सा और हिंट बता देती हूँ, अगर कभी भी डाउट हो, ऑर्डर वाले हैं तो आपने वहाँ पे क्या लिखा, या तो आप 2 + V1 या फिर V1 + ILB. इन दोनों में से किसी भी फॉर्मेट के साथ अपना सब्जेक्ट शुरू कर सकते हैं. टू ऑर्डर स्टेशनरी, ordering stationery, both are correct. Inquiring regarding so and so, to inquire regarding so and so, both are correct. कुछ और मतलब पछड़े में नहीं पड़ो. Full sentence not needed, only phrases are needed. ठीक है? और ये क्या होता है कि imperative sentences होते हैं. तो we'll write down subject in imperative sentences, not in a statement or a declarative. Clear है? Then salutation. Dear respected sir has been omitted. Write down dear sir / ma'am. It's your choice. कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. Again there is no comma. From the next line you will write down your content. Again the content, or we could say the body. divided into
Three
three paragraphs. In first paragraph,
Introduction.
Whose introduction? Yours as well as the subject. ठीक है, आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे, लेटर टू ऑडिटर में अवॉइड गिविंग योर इंट्रोडक्शन, रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स यू कैन गिव, प्लस जो भी आपने लेटर में लिखना चाहते हो उसका इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे. अगेन दिस इज द मेन कंटेंट यहाँ आएगा. If you want to order, there would be the details of order. If you want to inquire something, there would be the details of what you want to inquire about. Cancellation, what is the reason of the cancellation? Refund है, replacement है, then what is the problem with the product? ठीक है, वो यहाँ पर है. Then the third one is conclusion. This would be concluding paragraph. अब इस concluding paragraph में what you people are going to write? It can be your suggestions. It can be waiting for a reply. You're asking somebody to write you a letter. Whatever you want. मतलब यहाँ आपने we're just getting it finished. Whatever you want to say, you have written over there. इसको maximum से maximum 3 lines में लिखो. Don't go more than that. क्योंकि अभी वैसे भी वो 5 नंबर का है, तो you have to keep your that word limit in your mind. पहले तो था lengthy लिख देते थे, but not this time. समझ में आया? उसके बाद ये 3 पैराग्राफ जरूर डिवाइड करने हैं. ठीक है? Then we'll come to the लास्ट में क्या होता है? Last in salutation. This is salutation. Complimentary clause. Yeah? What is complimentary clause? Yours truly. Yours sincerely. Faithfully. आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ उस कंडीशन में लिखोगे when you know the receiver. If you know the receiver, who the receiver is actually. If you know that person personally, only then you would be faithfully or obediently. ठीक है, जिसको आप जानते नहीं, how could you be faithful? How could you be obedient? तो बिजनेस लेटर्स में कोशिश करो ट्रूली और सिंसियरली लगाने का. और व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ ट्रूली? पक्का?
Yes ma'am.
ई तो नहीं आएगा कहीं?
No ma'am.
ई नहीं आता. ट्रूली, yours truly. अगेन there would be no comma. फिर यहाँ ट्रूली के बाद आपके क्या आ जाएगा? सिग्नेचर्स आएंगे और फिर आपका नाम आएगा. Sequence would remain the same. Signatures, name, then designation. If you have, नहीं है तो leave it. आप letter to auditor लिख रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे you people can write about concerned citizen. Is something, some suggestions or opinion you people are giving. Concerned citizen. अगर नहीं है तो leave it. ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है. This is the format. Format यही है. यहाँ चेंज होता रहेगा, बार बार डेजिग्नेशन डिपार्टमेंट चेंज होता रहेगा, ये चेंज होता रहेगा, लेकिन फॉर्मेट यही रहेगा. सबसे पहले सेंडर का एड्रेस है, इट वुड रिमेन द सेम. देन डेट है, डेट विल रिमेन द सेम. थिंग्स विल बी सेम बट द अल्फाबेट्स योर वर्ड्स वुड बी चेंज. इज देयर एनी डाउट? नो. फॉर्मेट इज ऑल क्लियर टू यू?
Yes ma'am.
The cleaning or making it more healthy. So now volunteer yourself. Who is going to write down a letter on the board? Nobody is going to volunteer. अरे बिल्कुल सिंपल सा लेटर दूंगी. Nobody. Only Ritik. Come on. Write a letter to the editor to give your suggestions or opinion on the junk food consumed by young generation nowadays. You are going to show your concern regarding the junk food consumed by young generation nowadays. Giving suggestions.